Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today's topic is the real price of sweetness. We all love sweet foods and drinks, but have you ever thought about the real price we pay for that sweetness? In this video, we'll discuss the health, environmental, and social impacts of sweeteners. We'll also explore some solutions and alternatives to reduce our sugar consumption. The sweetness problem. Use of sugar has a long history that dates back to the beginning of time. Yet, in recent years, our sugar consumption has skyrocketed, posing a number of health hazards, including type 2 diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. With higher medical expenses for treating sugar-related illnesses, the increasing sugar consumption is also having an impact on our healthcare system. The industry for sweeteners. The sweetener market provides a wide variety of sweeteners, both natural and synthetic. While aspartame and sucralose are frequently promoted as healthy alternatives to sugar, more recent research has connected them to a number of health hazards, including cancer. In contrast, natural sweeteners like honey and maple syrup are frequently more expensive and less accessible. The effects of sweeteners on the environment. With numerous environmental issues connected to sweeteners, the sweetener business is also harming our environment. Large amounts of water and energy are needed to produce sweeteners, and the runoff from the cultivation of sugarcane and sugar beet can contaminate soil and water supplies. In addition, the production of sweeteners generates greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change, and the cultivation of sugarcane and sugar beet results in deforestation and biodiversity loss. Sweeteners' social impact. Moreover, the sweetener sector has both positive and harmful effects on society. Local communities benefit from the industry's job prospects, but many workers in the sweetener sector endure subpar working conditions and low pay. The sweetener sector is also frequently associated with international trade, which can exacerbate economic inequality between nations. Alternatives and solutions. To address the negative effects of sweeteners on our health, the environment, and society as a whole, we must reduce our consumption of sugar. By staying away from processed meals and drinks and choosing healthy alternatives, we can lower our sugar intake. We can also investigate different natural sweeteners like stevia, dates, and monk fruit. The development of substitute sweeteners that are not only healthier but also less harmful to the environment is another area where technology is making strides. In conclusion, it is important for everyone to understand the true cost of sweetness and how it affects society, the environment, and our health. We should take steps to cut back on our sugar use, look into healthier options, and support programs that encourage the equitable and sustainable production of sweeteners. We hope you learned something from and were opened up by this video. We appreciate your time and will see you in the next video.